Hey, Joe from Vinyl Fox USA. We have an exciting new kit for the tailgate letters on the 2024 and up Ford Ranger. We have various designs and patterns available for these letters, from solid colors to camo patterns, and even some patriotic star and stripe ones. Every one of our kits are designed with the installer in mind so that anyone, regardless of any prior experience, can install these graphics themselves in a driveway or a parking lot, in a garage. Everything you need comes in the kit, from the prep solution and application solution, along with a microfiber and, of course, the vinyl kit. We're going to go over exactly how easy it is to install this kit, so stay tuned. Right out of the box, you're going to get a microfiber and slip and tack. This is specially formulated for cleaning the surface and for installing the graphics. So we're going to get over and prep the surface. Spray down all the surface area, and then thoroughly clean all the grooves of each letter. This is a wet install using a air egress vinyl. So you should have a bubble-free installation that is super easy to apply. With that done, we're going to prep our R by spraying it. Grab our letter. Peel it off gentle. There's some thin parts that it can tear if you're not gentle. And then we're going to spray the letter and take it over to the vehicle. Make sure that is wet. The goal here is to go around, basically line up your letters around the inside part of the R. Hover this into place, kind of make sure it looks about right. And then you can just kind of let the letters fall into place. And we nailed it, first shot. So what we're going to do is take the microfiber and we're just going to gently blot around the outside, just kind of absorbing some of the moisture around the outside. And then I'm going to take and hold the top of the letter and pull down, increasing the pressure, starting really light to more firm as I go through, and that part should be locked down. Now I'm going to hold over here and pull across the lines, and then hold the top over here and press that down. And we're going to let that set up, but that should be pretty locked down at this point. We're going to spray our A and move to that letter. Again, gently releasing it from the backing. The thin part of the A can tear if you're not careful. Lift it off, give it a couple sprays. And same as the R, we're just going to go with the triangle on the inside of the A. Kind of line that up, make sure it's about even all the way around. Let it fall into place. Gently press it out, grab our rag, start by blotting, hold up top, increase the pressure as you go, pull across this way, pull down, and we're done. Very, very easy. Moving on to the N, give it a quick spritz, peeling our letter off. Couple spritz, and for this one the alignment points are going to be this triangular portion on the inside of the letter. So get it into place. This should shift around on you a little bit while we're still wet. Get it into place like that. You can kind of press it down a little, and then take our microfiber and you're just blotting like this. And now we're going to hold, gently pull towards the other side. Same thing here, hold up top, increasing the pressure. If the letter peels up while you're doing that, no worries. Respray it, lay it back down, start over. On to the G, we're going to give it a quick spritz, come over to the table. This one, be very careful. The lines are pretty thin on this G. Get it up. The faster you get it wet, the less likely it will be to stick to itself. When you get it over the vehicle, we're going to line up the top line along with the thick, chunky left part of the G. That line kind of in place, and kind of straighten it up. The wet method lets you just shift it as you need to. Great. Line up this bottom part. And everything falls right into place. See how you can still shift it though? So you can make sure that line is straight, like that. And then again, take your microfiber and just gently blot it. No pressure. We're just getting some of the moisture off. And then we're going to take and hold up top and pull the line across gently at first, increasing the pressure. And there we go. Hold up top, pull down, across, up, and it's still shifting on us, no worries. Hold this top corner over here of the G, pull that line through, and that's it. All right, quick spritz on the E. When peeling this one off, start from the thick side, pull this way, get it wet. Alignment, we're going to start with the thick side and let the thin lines fall into place. You can kind of float them on. Get that going. It's off a little bit, no worries. Pull these up. Get them straight. There we go. Little blot. Hold up top. Pull this one out gently, increasing the pressure. Repeat for all 3 lines. Hold up top, pull that down, and you're good with that one. Onto the R. And now that you're a pro with this R, because you've already done one, we're going to finish the last letter. Get it wet. Hovering around that center part of the R. Let it fall into place. Little blotting. Press, pull it out. Press, pull it out. And that's it. We're going to give it a wipe down real quick. Be gentle. You can still catch the edges while they're wet, but we can gently go over the surface. And just like that, we've installed the tailgate letters. I want to emphasize how easy this is for anyone to do it. You don't need any experience, no prior knowledge of how to do it. Follow along the instructions. You'll have no problems at all. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, visit vinylfoxusa.com. And until next time, keep it stupid simple.